All right, let's check over our answers from the Monday questions. The first question says, which ending punctuation mark completes this sentence? The sentence is, what color do you think the sun is?
Question mark.
Very good. That one should be a question mark because it's asking. And I can hardly see. I think the last one is the question mark. All right, next one. Is this a complete or incomplete sentence? The color of a star. Complete or incomplete?
Incomplete.
Very good. Why?
Because the color of the star, it doesn't have a predicate.
Very good. It's only a subject and it's missing the predicate. It's not a complete thought. Good job. Stars create light and heat. Which words in the sentence are nouns? There are 3. Tell me one. Light. Very good. And? Very good. So 3 nouns in that sentence. Stars, light, heat. Create is a verb, and is one of those conjunctions that we learned about yesterday. Okay. Our next one, which word correctly completes this sentence? 1 million blank could fit in the sun. We have earths with an S at the end and earths with an apostrophe S. Very good. Earth with just an S because it means more than one. It's actually 1 million. Talking about 1 million of them. So it's just an S to make it plural. Remember, the apostrophe S means that it owns something. In this sentence, the earth isn't owning or having anything. It's more than one earth. 1 million earths could fit in the sun. No apostrophe. Which word in the sentence is a verb? Which word is a verb? The sun formed about 46 billion years ago. Which word is a verb?
Formed.
Very good. Formed is the verb. That's the action in the sentence. Good job. Is the underlined word an adjective or an adverb? Remember, an adjective is a word that describes a noun. An adverb describes a verb or another adjective or adverb. The sun is a big ball of super hot gas. Big is underlined. It's describing the word ball. So is it an adjective or an adverb? Yes, it is an adjective. Next time. Okay. All right, this one. Let me go back to this one. It is an adjective because big is describing ball, and ball is a noun. So big is an adjective. Which correctly shows how to add ing to the word ride. Ride ends with a sneaky E. So what is going to happen when I add that ing? Which one is going to show me the correct way?
The second one. Riding with 2 D's.
That's going to make it a short. That's going to make it a short I. So that one would be riddy. Try it again. Good. The last choice with 1D, R-I-D-I-N-G. So that rule says if the word ends with a sneaky E and the ending that I'm adding starts with a vowel like I and ing, that sneaky E has to hit the road. It has to go away. Okay, so we just have 1D. That's going to keep my I long and take away the E. So the third choice, R-I-D-I-N-G, is how we spell that one. Now, this is the same rule on the next 2 words. So think about that rule, which correctly shows how to add ing to the word chase. Look at those choices there. Think about the rule we just talked about with the sneaky E at the end. Which one is going to show how to add ing? Very good. The second choice, C-H-A-S-I-N-G. No E. No E. And our last one, which correctly shows how to add ing to score. To score.
The last one?
That one's got 2 R's. That's going to make it a short one. The first choice. S-C-O-R-I-N-G. No E. The E goes away. Good job. You have any questions about those from last night? Make sure on your paper, go ahead and stop this.